Hey YouTube, I'm going to be doing a short video today on how to take out some stuck bolts for the oil fill and for the oil drain. It can be kind of difficult because they're Phillips head, right? They're easy to strip. So what we're going to start out with is I got this little lubrication pint pump oiler that I picked up from AutoZone, and I have some acetone and some ATF mixed in equal parts, 50-50. It's a really good anti-seize lubricant, so I like to get some of that down in there. One thing to notice is, or note, is this stuff eats the O-rings that are in here, so you might have to use some Teflon tape or something to seal it with. I just found that out right before the video. It's been sitting in there for weeks. Anyhow, this next tool, which maybe a lot of you know about this already, picked it up at Harbor Freight. This tool had good reviews. I always read the reviews before I shop at Harbor Freight, make sure the tool's even worth buying. And this one had, I believe, over 4 stars. And it's an impact screwdriver set. I wish I would have known about this tool earlier. It really helps. What happens is when you hammer down on the tool, it rotates. You can set it to tighten by twisting it like that, or you can set it to loosen. So what I like to do, and what I found works best, is as you hammer down, and here's one criticism of the tool, maybe it's by design, but the grip actually twists. I feel like it should be firm on there so you can get a little bit of twisting action, but I like to go ahead and twist on it, and then you just hammer down. And it's better if it's in a vise, whatever it is that you're working on. I don't really have a good lower unit vise set up, so I'm just doing it here on the floor. And there it is, it just broke loose. There's one. And let's see about this bottom one now. You see I have my safety steel toes on. This one's being a little bit tricky because of the angle. Let's try this again. I think I'm seeing it move a little bit. Sometimes it just moves a little bit at a time. One bolt I was working on the other day, I had to do this for a while, and it was turning a very small fraction of a turn at a time, but eventually I was able to work the bolt loose, or at least to a point where I was able to get some vice grips on the head, turn it the rest of the way. turning so slightly, but it's turning. So I think you guys get the idea. I don't think I need to do the whole thing. One more thing I'll show you is this kit comes with a Phillips head. It comes with 3 different Phillips head, actually some shorter ones. Sure, different shaped head. And it comes with 3 flatheads. Works really good. Really good.